That's it. That's it. Fuck sake.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, stop coughing.
Bring your own drugs. Should have bring the
I
heroin.
need you to supply me with hallucinogens.
Oh shit, he don't want you anymore, he want me. Okay, well I go come on. You know I'm ass, that's why he want me. Really?
Okay.
Exactly. Sorry, Victoria. Bless up.
That was like a cough and a sneeze.